Wuoro. Piny owacho chano mar manyo yore mag chiwo puonj ne jopuonjre manie atamalo 5 mag sikunde ma pi oula nche nomuomo to chalgi pod rach nyaka sani. Maeri noyangi kod jatend migao mar somo Ezekiel Machogu moko ni jopuonjregi ibiro chwalgi e sikunde moko kata ibiro puonjgi e yor mbui. Bende nomedo wacho ni gichano mar chwalo somo mar tam mar 2 nyime gi jumbe 2 ahinya to ne jopuonjre mag klas 12. Machogu ne loso e kinde manotimo limbe e skunde ma Nairobi motelo ne yepo mar sikunde tarik 13 mar dweni.
We have done an assessment on each and every school. As I said, as I'm here, my regional directors of education and all the senior officers from the Ministry of Education, plus the county directors of education countrywide in our 47 counties are out in the field. The purpose of them being out in the field is to come up with a report specifically indicating the schools which are badly affected. In actual fact, we are getting those reports on a daily basis. And as I said there before, is that by the reports we had yesterday, the specific schools which are badly affected, such that they cannot be able to open, is about 2%. Because we have the specific names of those schools, and those are the schools that we are trying to come up with ways and means on how we can be able to extend running to the particular students and the pupils who are affected. Otherwise, about 98% of our schools are good for opening on Monday.